We're going to be unboxing this Ultraguard Pro Collar. It kills and repels flea sticks, flea eggs, and flea larvae. So this collar has a reflective technology. Here's our cat, Mrs. Bridges. And we're going to put that around her neck. And it says here, full body protection for 7 months. So let's see here. Look at our kitty. She's very calm. Okay, so here's the packet. It doesn't come with anything else. It just comes with this packet, and we're gonna open it up. So the restrictions said do not use on kittens under 12 weeks old. She's 12 pounds, so it's safe for her. So it says your application instruction: remove the collar from the package, unroll and stretch to activate the insecticide. Place the collar around the cat's neck and adjust the proper fit. So she's not very happy right now, but let's put it around her neck. Hold it.
Mommy, look at the cat's tail.
Actually a thumbtacks in the tip. So just unroll it.
Don't cry, just wait.
And you have to stretch it to activate the insecticide. So stretch it, Naomi. Let's stretch it. Pull, stretch. Not too hard, Naomi. Stretch. So we're stretching it right now. Not too hard to activate this. Yeah, there's a strong smell in this thing. Come here, Naomi. Don't put it in your mouth.
Yeah, there. Oh, I'll hold your foot. Cat, Mommy.
Okay, kitty. There you go. And use your Naomi. Aww, let's keep it loose. Okay, kitty. It's that so you don't get a flea. Just for safety. Back. It's okay, kitty. Almost done. Such a sweetie cat. You're such a sweetie girl. Almost done. Almost done. Oh, it's very loose. Okay, there. Oh no. There you go. So, okay. So she's done. Okay, you can let her go, guys. You can let her go.
Let's let her stand up for a sec.
Aww. Aww. You okay? Let me hold it. It's not very tight. Okay, that's good. Thank you, kitty.